Welcome to the Westport Library's Trefz Forum. Here's how to connect to our audio and video wall using our Sennheiser listening app. You must have headphones to use this. Step 1. Please download and install the Sennheiser MobileConnect App. Please use your App Store for Apple device and Google Play Store for Android devices. Step 2. Open the MobileConnect app. Please select Allow Access and agree to the terms and conditions. Step 3. Open Device Settings and select Assisted Listening Wi-Fi Network. Please select the network Assisted Listening. Enter the Wi-Fi password, Listen 2021. Step 4. Please allow access to your camera in order to scan the QR code below. Under Browse Channels, select Forum. You are now connected. Your device will be operational. You should hear sound. When finished, set your Wi-Fi back to the default settings. Enjoy your listening experience at the Westport Library.